All right, guys, ladies and gents, it's Nick Brown back with Better Financial. Um, just wanted to get back on here. It's been a while. School and things like that has been taking over my life and transitioning into a new position and things like that. Um, Shout out to AMS. Shout out to MJ. Um, MJ Gilroy, Stephens Cole, and a lot of other guys that inspired me to get back on here, to get back on my purpose, to get back on my drive, and get back on the things I need to do to be successful. Definitely, because things in life sometimes change. Things in life sometimes get old and boring, and you just need to get back on track and get your life back in order. So today I want to go over some of the pros and cons when you start investing for beginners. This is a new game out here with a lot of low fee, commission free trading. If you ever wanted to get into trading or just get into some type of passive stream of income, using apps like Acorn and Stash and things like that. So, further ado, we're gonna get back in order. So, the first one to go with over is kind of the top five of the apps that you can use to basically get um, your money invested. You know, you can pretty much take cents and invest these dollars too. So the first one will be Robinhood. Robinhood came on the scene relatively maybe 10 years ago. They're pretty much easy to use, no account minimum, so you can pretty much put less than $100 in there to get started, to get your money invested. If you don't know about stocks and things like that, you can watch CNBC and all the other news channels and learn about different stocks to invest in. Um, kind of the con to that is limited account support. They don't support you. Like I had, for example, a account with Robinhood, and I ended up shutting it down for some reason. But they had no 1-800 number, no type of customer service line, nothing like that. They had handle everything through email. So that was kind of a things didn't go quite right how I wanted to. But it's fine. I mean, everybody's different. But the next one I want to go over with is Acorn. Acorn is another one of those that you can pretty much invest your side income. I think I went over another video about Acorn, where pretty much if you go to a fast food restaurant, for example, like a McDonald's, and if your bill is $5.40, they'll invest. They pretty much invest the remaining 60 cents to make you a whole dollar into the account, and it's automatic. You can go straight from your bank account straight to them. And they will get started on that. And pretty much no account minimums. They use robo advisors. Basically, robo advisors is pretty much like artificial intelligence, and they pretty much invest the money automatically. There are some pros and cons with robo advisors and things like that, and it's kind of another video about investing and a little bit higher finance that some people understand a little bit better. Kind of a con. They have fees. It's $1 to $3 per month, but a dollar. You know, you go to McDonald's all the time and spend way more than a dollar. The next one is Stash. Stash is pretty much the rival of Acorn. Pretty much same, no account minimums, great interface, uh, definitely looks well. Got like a purple background, things like that. Kind of a con is a definitely the sorry I lost train of thought. Free the fee ratios are kind of high on them as well. So when you're buying ETFs and things like that. Uh, Next one is TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade has been around for a long time. They pretty much switched up their platforms to kind of compete in the changing markets. So they have no account minimum. They have a great platform called Thinkorswim. It's nice, easy to use. You know, no commissions on stocks, ETFs, or options. Um, and kind of a con for them is they kind of want you to invest into their next level of a platform. They have high margin calls and things like that. So the last and final one we want to go over today is E Trade. Pretty much very similar to TD Ameritrade, no commissions, things like that. So these five platforms I just went over, they all almost in a similar realm and similar um, game to try to help you invest for free or low cost. I mean, that's kind of the name of the game in 2020 and beyond to pretty much invest in low cost. Because if you understand that decades before, if you wanted to buy a stock, you had to call your stockbroker, and the stockbroker charged a fee on every stock or pretty much every transaction that you had. So, for example, if I wanted to buy um, 100 shares, a round lot of Amazon, I'll have to take that cost of how much ever. I think Amazon trading at $2,000 currently. If I take that cost plus the fees that they're going to charge, the stockbroker fees, and that's what I'm beginning to pretty much start investing. So that's kind of the change. Things have changed. So everything is pretty much low cost, very minimum fees. A lot of these platforms I just went over, they have brokers that you can talk to and pretty much get advice and get advice. If you don't know what you're doing, they pretty much you can call over the phone and say, okay, I'm trying to do this, and they can pretty much guide you in the right direction for low cost and things like that. So um, definitely, I mean, it's 2020. Google a lot of stuff out there. It's 2020, so it's a lot of information available. Get on my channel. Um, Better Financial. Me, and you are gonna pretty much get better at investing, changing our lives, and trying to be a better person than we was yesterday. So definitely, like I said in the beginning, man. Shout out to Stephens Cole, MJ Get Right, AMS. These guys are dating coaches, but they profess this whole thing of staying on your purpose, staying on your goals, and staying on your driven abilities to succeed. And I've definitely been inspired past couple weeks because things has been kind of weird around here, but definitely been inspired. So I definitely want to shout out to them. I want to go over those things with you today. We're gonna be shooting some more today to try to get everything going and get this channel better. Um, Without further ado, like and subscribe, please. We're just getting started. Um, Put a comment in the bottom to let me know what you want to hear next, and we're gonna go from there, guys, and try to make 2020 a better 2020 because coronavirus is out here is changing up everything. I do not like staying in the house, so it's definitely been a changing dynamic for me. So, but like I said, like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to hear next. Definitely push that like button and push that bell so to let you know next time I post a video on here for Better Financial, and we're gonna get better the next go around for our finances. So have a good one. Over and out.